Experiencing a stuck or non-functional side camera, also called a repeater camera, on your Tesla Model 3, you're not alone. These cameras replace traditional mirrors for a sleeker design. These cameras, which replace traditional mirrors, can sometimes freeze or display a black screen, making it difficult to see what's beside your vehicle. The issue is often due to software glitches or camera misalignment, but can also be caused by hardware faults or environmental factors like extreme weather. This section introduces the problem and highlights that knowing the root cause is the first step to fixing it. Before trying more complex solutions, start with a simple software reset. First, perform a screen reset by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the Tesla logo appears. If that doesn't work, try a deep reset by powering off the car via the touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, and select Power Off. Wait 2 minutes, then press the brake pedal to turn the car back on. These resets can often clear temporary software bugs causing the side camera issue. The Model 3's side cameras rely on precise calibration to function properly. If you're experiencing issues, first check if a recent software update might have affected your camera settings. If the issue persists, some users have found success with manual recalibration. This requires accessing the service menu through Easter egg methods. Search online for current access techniques. Once in the service menu, locate the camera calibration option and follow the on-screen instructions. This typically involves driving in a straight line at low speed to allow the system to recalibrate. Remember, this is an advanced troubleshooting step and should be done carefully to avoid any unintended issues. Sometimes a simple obstruction can cause the side camera to malfunction. Dirt, debris, water spots, or moisture can block the lens and interfere with the camera's view. The first step is to carefully inspect the side camera lenses for any visible obstructions. When cleaning, use a soft microfiber cloth and a mild, non-abrasive cleaner specifically designed for automotive glass. This protects the camera's protective coating and prevents scratches. Avoid using household cleaners, alcohol, or any harsh chemicals that could damage the lens or void your warranty. Be gentle during cleaning. Avoid excessive pressure or scrubbing, which could damage the camera module or its housing. The camera lens is delicate and designed for clear visibility without physical stress. After cleaning, verify that the view is completely clear. Make sure no dirt, debris, water spots, or smudges remain on the lens. A clear camera lens ensures proper operation of the digital side mirrors and autopilot systems. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that address known issues, including camera problems. These updates improve camera calibration and fix bugs automatically. To ensure you have the latest fixes, check your software version. Go to Controls on the touchscreen, then select Software to see the current version. Additionally, check Tesla forums or Reddit's r/Tesla Model 3 subreddit for user reports of side camera bugs in recent software versions. Community discussions can help identify if your issue is widespread and potentially fixed in upcoming updates. Finally, if you experience camera problems, make note of your current software version and any specific error messages. This details will be valuable when contacting Tesla support for assistance. If software solutions don't work, the problem might be hardware related. This could involve a faulty camera module, a damaged wiring harness, or issues with the display itself. Common hardware issues include a faulty camera module, which captures the side view, or a damaged wiring harness that connects the components. Signs of hardware problems include persistent black screens, flickering images, or specific error codes appearing in the vehicle's diagnostics. These error codes, like camera fault or mirror stuck, are accessible through Tesla service and indicate hardware failures that often necessitate professional repair. If you've tried troubleshooting steps like software resets, calibration, cleaning, and updates without success, and suspect a hardware problem with your Model 3's side camera or mirror, it's time to schedule a service appointment. Open the Tesla app on your phone and navigate to the service section. Here you can see available options for scheduling. Select Schedule Service and choose a convenient appointment time at your nearest Tesla service center. Tesla provides free diagnostics for camera issues, using their tools to identify if it's a camera replacement, wiring repair, or other hardware problem. As of 2026, many camera-related fixes are completed within a single service visit, getting your vehicle back on the road quickly. Before your appointment, document all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted, such as resets and calibrations, and provide this information to the service technician. This helps them diagnose more efficiently. Tesla is actively working to improve the reliability of its side camera systems through enhanced software and more durable hardware. Future updates will likely include AI-driven self-calibration and predictive maintenance. The trend is towards greater software reliance and reduced hardware failures. While cybersecurity risks exist, Tesla is prioritizing firmware security to protect camera functionality. Expect more automated fixes and improved integration with autopilot and full self-driving FSD systems in the future. Tesla is actively working to improve the reliability of its side camera systems through enhanced software and more durable hardware. Future updates will likely include AI-driven self-calibration and predictive maintenance. The trend is towards greater software reliance and reduced hardware failures. While cybersecurity risks exist, Tesla is prioritizing firmware security to protect camera functionality. Expect more automated fixes and improved integration with autopilot and full self-driving FSD systems in the future.